Hello everybody, today we have a 2015 certified pre-owned Honda CR-V EX. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles, folks, and it is certified to get all types of added protection and warranty. You'll notice fog lights on the exterior as well as privacy glass and a moonroof up top. Now let's take a closer look at some of these interior features. Okay folks, taking a look at the back of this CR-V, you'll notice it's incredibly spacious. Comes equipped with a privacy shield so nobody can see what's in the back of your trunk. And plenty of room back here for any groceries or odds and ends. Moving to the back seat area, you have this nice black cloth interior, extremely comfortable. Plenty of legroom and headroom in the back also. And moving to the front seat area, because this is the EX model, you do have heated seats. You're also going to have the sunroof. As I mentioned earlier, you're also going to have Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, and volume controls on the steering wheel. Okay, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA. Check out this just-in 2015 certified pre-owned Honda CR-V EX. Gorgeous vehicle, top-selling SUV on the market. Come check it out today. It has less than 40,000 miles, folks. It's barely been broken into. And come check me out when you do. My name's Treston. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.